Let's clean this house. So this house was dirty. It was time for me to get it together. I had shredded some cheese last night in my KitchenAid adapter, so I had to go ahead and wash that after it dried, and then I was cleaning up, and so I wanted to give Zoe some treats, so I ended up doing that before I started, putting away all the dishes that had been there for the night before that I had washed and dried. I let them air dry on this little drying mat that I got from, I want to say Home Goods. So I didn't want a dish rack on my counter, so I did the little mat instead. So then now it's time for me to wash the dishes that I did not wash, or that my sons did not wash after that. So before I started, I went ahead and just started washing all the dishes. Before I went ahead, I cleaned the sink out before I started washing all of the dishes, and then I needed to clean the stove and wipe down all the countertop. I got a lot of questions about where I got this mat from, and it's from Amazon, and it is linked in my bio on my storefront. And I took all the knobs off to clean the stove, and then this is the spot that I never get to clean, which is the top of my microwave. I like this multi-purpose cleaner by Love Megs off of YouTube. I absolutely swear by it. I use it all the time. She designed this. She's a house cleaner YouTuber, and so she created this product, and I've been using it ever since for about a year now. After I did all that, I went ahead and vacuumed my house because it needed to be vacuumed. I find it much easier to vacuum than to sweep. This little thing just picks up everything that I need, and it's a Dyson. It was an investment, but I can use it on all my floors and the carpet as well. So that's my clean with me for today.